any money for. We could have done that.
Oh, yeah.
Piece of cake.
Pretty cool watching do it.
Oh yeah.
He's got no video of him doing it either. This would be good.
That old fence is still surviving.
Gee, can you believe? I know, it's hard to believe, huh?
Oh, that could take it out.
I don't know. He's pushing them all. They're all going in the right spot, man.
That's good. Missed that one,
Yeah, I told him can replace the boards, but can't stick his arms back on.
though. No. Wouldn't you know that as soon as that nasty branch fell down, we had the worst windstorm for 2.5 days.
I know.
Kept me
Yeah, that was just a weak spot, you know.
Yeah.
But better safe than sorry, right?
Yep.
Here she comes. And Adam's still up top again. Awesome. Oh, man.
You gotta